They always say that being a doctor is stressful, but you can't really visualize it until you're in the situation.
We've been doing group sessions with all of the students acting as doctors today.
Things that you do in the hospital, blood taking, ward rounds.
And trying to solve these cases of 3 patients who become acutely unwell.
We were forced to think of things quick. We had only a couple of seconds to find the solution.
Also using hospital equipment, give them adrenaline, a resus trolley, so it's really recreated that hospital environment for them.
We found the problem and found the solution before they got too ill.
They showed us how to insert the needles and stuff and showed us the proper names of all the equipment we had to use. And I managed to draw blood. I've actually done it 3 times. And every time I did it correctly, so I'm very impressed with myself.
The best ways to remember what you've been taught is to be in the moment, to get involved. And to be surrounded by all the technology, all of the knowledge, and you will never be able to get that from reading from a textbook.
It is competitive, and you want to hear from people who are already within that industry.
I was very nervous for the MMIs that I'm going to have to do in a couple of months.
They even practiced with us, and from that I learned exactly what I have to work on.
I feel like I'm in a way better position to apply than I did beforehand. It's completely changed my perspective of medicine, but also made me especially sure this is what I wanted to do.
It actually shows me what a career in medicine is like.
Now I know what is to be a doctor.
I would give it an 11. I've learned more than I ever could have if I did any other program.
I think it's a great experience. I would highly recommend it. I'm really lucky to be here.